Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. Mga lovely subscribers, welcome! Salamat sa hulansawan yung support nyo sa akin. New viewers, welcome as well. And I hope that you will subscribe if you find this video na resonate po kayo. And also, if you also find na nagustuhan nyo itong video, please help me support my channel to build it back because this is actually my second channel. Kasi nabura ko yun by accident. And anyway, everyone, reminder lang po na this channel po, is a Taglish channel po, okay? It's a Taglish language po. Tagalog, English at the same time. And hindi talaga lahat makaresonate po sa reading na po ito. So, take only mga messages na makaresonate po kayo. And this is just a general reading po. Okay, let's begin your reading. Meron tayong The Tower. Oh, by the way, everyone, naka-receive na naman ako ng message from YouTube, no, na i-delete ko daw yung isang video ko po. So, whoever watched that one, my apologies. Sorry talaga po kasi one of those card was showing naked. Yeah, so they requested or they emailed me to delete that, to remove that. So, my apology for that one, whoever watched that. And that was my second video that was deleted, and it really makes me upset. It makes me really angry. But what can you do? But anyway, meron tayong apat ito na card. We have the Star. Meron tayong the World. Oh, wow. Meron tayong King of Cups. At saka Emperor. Okay. The Tower. Meron na mga sudden na yung biglaan na changes ba? No? Sa sitwasyon nyo po. Okay? May darating na mga bigla-bigla na lang na mga siguro decision or something like that. That will change your situation po. For example, bigla ka naka-receive ng bad news or bigla ka naka-receive ng good news na makakatulong sa pagbabago ng sitwasyon mo. Okay? Some of you will get answered prayers. Some of you na you still going through nito po na makareceive kayo na hindi maganda na news. Some of you na hindi pa siya tamang panahon na maibigay sa iyo ng Divine Universe. Okay? Meron tayong the Star. Now, you know the Star, okay? Star is also an answered prayers. Okay? It could be also that sudden changes, no? Biglaan na lang na may pagbabago. Yan ang inaantay mo na sagot. Okay? For some of you. Yan yung inaantay, yan yung makakatulong na makamove forward kayo, makamove on kayo. Okay. It's a wish card. Okay? For some of you. The World. Complete. Closing cycles. That's it. Matatapos na rin, magkuklose na yung in one area. Hindi lahat ng sitwasyon nyo ay magkuklose, tatapos na. May ibang mga siguro isa, dalawa na sitwasyon, no, na in your area sa problema nyo, no, na na siya, maghihilom na ang sugat, magko-close na ang cycle na yan. Kasi tinulungan na po kayo ng Divine Universe. Maka-move on na kayo, maka-move forward na po kayo. Mababalance din ang ano nyo, from your mood swings, from your anything that emotions that na apektuhan na no dahil sa mga problema mo. Okay? Because in that particular specifically lang yan sa mga isa o dalawa na problema, masosolve na siya. Okay? It's a divine universe ang tumutulong sa inyo. Okay. Divine universe ay ready na ibigay sa iyo. Handang-handa na siya ibigay sa iyo nito. Okay? So, whoever you are, I hope that this message is for you. I hope that once na makita mo na itong reading na to, that's it. Grab it, manifest it agad. Okay? Keep positive. Okay. Ano pa? Hindi naman sinasabi dito in which area po. Basta may darating na pagbabago. Okay? Dalian to siya, biglaan to siya na pagbabago na out of nowhere, makareceive ka na lang ng balita na, uy, ito na pang inaantay mo, yan ang inaantay ko katagal-tagalan na, finally, matatapos na. Matatapos na yan. Okay? The divine universe is actually the one sending someone na para lang mabigyan ka ng answered prayers mo na hinihiling mo. May inutusan siya na parang pinapadaan niya sa ibang tao ni Divine Universe para makuha mo na ito. Kasi parang nawalan ka na ng pag-asa, parang you find yourself na sometimes na lang na parang you completely blank na lang. Parang manhid na ba, cold na hearted na sa problema mo na. Parang wala ka ng pakialam, something like that you are feeling, that you are going through. Okay? So, wag mag-alala po kasi yung pagbabago na darating po, I feel like something 3. It could be 3 days, it could be 3 hours from now when you watch this video. It could be 3 weeks, it could be 3 months, 3 days, I don't know, something to do with 3. Yun yung sinasabi sa akin, number 3. Okay po? So, number 3, it might be a significant numbers to you as well. Okay, meron tayong Queen of Swords. You, actually, nararamdaman nyo na paunti-unti na parang namamanhid na ang puso nyo sa problema nyo. Parang suko ka na, give up ka na. Parang you just go along with the flow na kinabukasan, ganun din naman ang mangyayari, ganun din naman yung I have to deal with it. It's the same situation, the same. When I woke up tomorrow, it's still the same. Parang completely na nagiging cold-hearted ka talaga. Ito yung, it could be yung ginamit ni Divine Universe na tao na ibigay tong good news na to it's probably something to do or connect with either your friend, family, or it could be a lawyer, or it could be something inaantay nyo na paperwork na makalabas na galing sa, or could be like a title, something like that. Inaantay nyo basta something na it's connected in that, and then the Divine Universe was asking for that person na gawin na yan para parang sinabihan na ginaidan yung tao na pick that. I mean, parang binulong siya na or inutusan niya yung angel ng person na yan na pick up that kunin mo yung ano man yang inaantay mo para mag-progress na yan. It's something to do na either nag-aantay ka ng news galing sa family mo, galing if you have a partner or if you have an ex-partner or friends, it has something to do with that connection. It has something to do na either be something to do with authority as well. It could be from a law agency or something like that, attorney, may inaantay ka doon na news or may inaantay ka na paperwork. For example, title na lalabas na hanggang ngayon hindi pa, parang something in that area. Inutusan ng guardian angel mo yung tao na yan, para ang guardian angel mo na yung tao na yan gawin na. Parang if this is something to do with a title, no, parang yung worker na yan doon, sinabihan siya na kunin mo yung title na yan, kunin mo yung paperwork na yan, at anuhin mo na yan. Parang i-start na siya pagpa-process. Yun yung nakikita ko dyan. Yun yung energy nyo dyan. Meron tayong the Fool. Ito na yung inaantay nyo na pagbabago. Okay? Ito na yung inaantay na pagbabago nyo na biglaan to eh. Biglaan na pagbabago na hindi mo inakala na sasagutin ka pa, ibibigay pa ng Divine Universe. Kasi kahit anong hingi mo, kahit anong believe mo, faith mo, wala pa rin. Hindi talaga sinasagot. Pero ngayon, sinagot ka na. Sinagot ka ni Divine Universe. Whatever you did, no, na ano kanila, they heard you. Okay, ano pa? You're coming out from the dark to light. Kasi ibibigay na yung sagot niya. Sagot mo. Meron tayong 3 of Wands. Ma-accomplish mo talaga yan. Magpa-progress talaga yan siya. Kung ano man yung inantay mo, no, nag-start na siya eh. Nag-start na siya. Hindi mo palang alam kasi hindi pinapabalita pa sa iyo. Pero, inaano na yan, pinaprocess na po. Hindi na tumatagal. Makaka-receive kang news. Handa-handaan mo na yung sarili mo. Okay? Handa-handaan mo na yung emotion mo. Calm down ka lang pag-receive ng news kasi it's a big yes. It's a big yes answered na prayers mo in some area of your problema mo. Hindi sinasabi dito kung ano yan. Yun nga lang ang energy na hindi ko makikita kung ano ang klase. Parang isa surprise. Sinupresa ka ni Divine Universe kung aling area na nila ibibigay sa iyo na answered prayers. Okay? Meron tayong Death. Talaga? Meron talaga. Ang ganda ng card nyo. Ang ganda ng energy nyo. Ending. Matatapos na rin. Yung pagdurusa mo, matatapos na at mapalitan ka na ng saya. Sasaya ka. Alam mo, lilipat ka, tatalong ka nito sa saya. Yun yung energy dyan. Ang ganda-ganda ng energy mo. Yung hard work mo, yung effort mo, yung pagtitiis mo, yung pag-patient mo is paid off. Bibigyan ka na ng reward through giving you what you want ni Divine Universe. Okay? Kuha pa tayo ng isa. I feel like there's one more. There. Meron tayong the chariot on. Ayan. There is already a movement. Nag-move na talaga, may ano na talaga, nag-process na. Hindi mo lang alam kasi hindi nila pinapaalam yet. Basta malaman mo na lang na ikokontakin ka na lang na ayan, okay na yan. It's a big yes. Matapos rin ang ano mo, ang problema mo. It's a very good, it's a very nice energy. Let's get one more, a final message from the Divine Universe. Okay, final message, Divine Universe. Ano ang i-advise nyo? Anong ibibigay nyo? Ay, okay, meron tayong, okay, yes, po. Oops. What is meant for you won't pass by you. You will never have to force something that is truly meant to be. Trust in the perfection of divine timing and allow your life to unfold as it should. Whatever comes, let it come. Whatever goes, let it go. Diba? Kakasabi ko lang earlier na ano to siya? Divine to siya na divine universe ang nagdesisyon na I don't know, whatever you did, na narinig ka nila, na na-touch si divine universe sa iyo. I don't know what you did, and he heard you, the divine universe heard you, and that is your message. Answered. It's a big yes answer. Prayers. Okay? Klarong-klaro yung mensahe nyo po, ha? Kung hindi para talaga sa iyo, hindi para talaga para sa iyo yet. Okay? Kung iba na hindi pa maka-receive, hindi maka-resonate nito, ibig sabihin hindi pa po para sa iyo. Okay? Huwag nyo daw i-force yung sarili nyo. Ito na yung sudden change na sinasabi ni Divine Universe. Let it come. Parang pinapaalam ni Divine Universe na just go with the flow for now. Okay? Just go with the flow. Whatever, every day that takes you, it's the same. The time comes, which is, this is it. This is your time now. It's complete cycle already. You already done what you have done. You already sacrifices. This is your reward. Ni-reward mo to siya na binigay ni Divine Universe. The second message. The reason some people have walked away from you with no reason has nothing to do with you. They have been removed from your life because the universe is taking you next. They have already served their purpose in your life. Let them go, and moving greater is coming. So this is probably some of you na bigla ang changes na sitwasyon nyo, no, na mawawalan ka ng mga kaibigan. That's probably what it is, from that, the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, it could be also for some of you. Okay? For some of you, binawasan ka ng kakilala mo, binawasan ka ng either friends, kasi hindi sila karapat-dapat na magiging kaibigan mo kasi plastic sila. Okay? It could be your worker, it could be your worker na plastic, two-faced sila. So, parang binigyan ka ng realization to siya, parang binigyan ka ng something in the situation na it wake you up, gisingin ka ng Diyos, na gisingin ka ni Divine Universe na hindi siya karapat-dapat na ilagay mo sa circle of friends mo or sa work mo. So, kailangan i-distance mo yung sarili mo. Lagay ka ng boundaries. It could be some for you, some as well for you. Okay? So, it could be different. There's a few. There's actually three three energies I've seen here. So, this is your final message from the Divine Universe, and take it. Kung ano man yung in-advise ni Divine Universe para din naman sa sitwasyon nyo po. Para kumbaga, the Divine Universe save you po for the aches and pains na you have to go through kung malaman mo na plastic lang pala sila. So, bago pa mangyayari yan, ginising ka na. Put a boundary. Kung kailangan mo maglagay ng wall, put a wall. Yun yung sinasabi dyan po. Pinoprotektahan po kayo ng Divine Universe. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope that you resonated this message, this reading. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reading. And please don't forget to comment, like if you resonated, and if you like this video. And help me build my channel back by subscribing. And I'm looking forward to see you again, guys, in my next reading. Bye for now, everyone.